A lot of times we're just too darn product focused. And even if you're in recruiting, right? Well, I provide great candidates. Not really. And I'm not saying you don't provide great candidates, but that's just scratching the surface of the value. My value is I understand what the client's organization culture is. I understand where they're at right now currently, what their mission is. I understand the difficulties and challenges that they have maybe had in the past, or based on my expertise that they could be opening themselves up to in the future before I ever send a candidate their way, right? And when you understand that when you understand your own value, it then becomes very easy for you to create an insight. Then the insight might be, hey, I know there's a lot of recruiters out there. I know everybody's competing to send candidates your way. Here's what nobody's talking about.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.